Health benefits of cabbage. Nutrient-rich, cabbage is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate. It also contains minerals like calcium, potassium, and manganese. High in fiber, cabbage is rich in dietary fiber, which can promote digestive health, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut. Antioxidant properties. Cabbage is a rich source of antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phytonutrients, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants can potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in cabbage have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic conditions. Heart health. Cabbage can contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure. The fiber in cabbage helps reduce bad cholesterol (LDL), while the potassium content can help regulate blood pressure.